Welcome back to Everyday Kentucky. On today's Truck Talk with H&A Law, I am joined by Jon Hollan. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us again today. We appreciate it.
Thanks for joining us. Okay, so it is in the middle of summer season. People are starting to get on those roadways, travel. What kind of safety tips should you give us for being on the road with a large truck?
Yeah, so as we've talked about before, the size, the weight of trucks, it makes them completely different from passenger vehicles. Again, the trucks can be up to 80,000 pounds. They're typically more than 70 feet long. So two of the most common commercial trucking crashes that we see are the side swipes and rear end. And that happens due to the fact that given the size of these trucks, they have significant blind spots. Also due to the size and weight of these trucks, they have difficulty stopping. They can't stop like you or I could or our family could in a car. So some of the advice that we give for families, especially on the interstate, especially traveling for vacation, just keep an eye on your surroundings, because even though you're in an easy spot that you can see the truck, it can sometimes, whether they don't look or you're just in a spot that they can't see at all. And again, the size, the weight of those trucks, it leads to devastating consequences. And just managing space, you, your family, especially to the sides of the truck, not getting too close behind the truck. And then if you're always looking, always looking in the rear view, especially when traffic is stopping, road work, those unfortunately are some of the most devastating sets of facts we've ever seen, and too frequently, especially for stop traffic and road work, we see truck drivers who, whether it's not paying attention, issues with their brakes, they just can't stop in time, and in a matter of seconds, it's devastation.
And everybody is precious cargo on the road, and this is one of the main things about these truck talks, of just educating the public on things that you may not have been taught or may not know, and you don't see in your daily life like you all do at the firm. So if someone we know or we are affected by involving in a crash, how do we get a hold of you all?
What you said is so true. We do believe in educating our community, talking with people about these issues. I've told a lot of family friends over the years, the best call is the one I don't get. If a family can be saved, if these accidents don't have to happen. But for those that do need us, it's 859-888-8000. Our offices are here in Lexington, in Louisville. WKYT provides our social media information, our website information. Call us if you need us.
Well, thank you so much, Jon. We appreciate it. And be careful on those roadways driving to your summer destination.
Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thanks for this week's Truck Talk.
Thank you.
Keep it right here on Everyday Kentucky.